Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to draw simple heads at 3 different angles, facing front ways, quarter ways and sideways. You can get ready with your paper and pencil and draw with me too. Before that, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Many such portrait drawing topics to be covered in the upcoming videos. So let's get started. So I'm first drawing the front facing head, and as usual I am starting with a circle and then a vertical line. Now I prefer using a light colored pencil for these initial guidelines because it's easily visible and it also distinguishes from the normal graphite pencil that I later use to draw the features and everything on top of it. So in simple words, this way my guidelines guide me better. Beginners can really try this out. It would really help, I feel. Okay, so hope you have started drawing with me. If you're watching this video, I guess it's the nice and right time to start. Don't worry about the results. Remember, it needs practice. Just keep observing. First, I'm just drawing the entire structure of the head. This way it makes me easier to work for the next step, and my next step is to place the features, to draw the features. Now in the next step my work is just to draw these features because I already know where to place them. Now my focus is just on the features. How are they? Right? So this way, a complex task of drawing a complete portrait can be just divided into steps and drawn. It's easy. So I'm almost done with my front facing head. I hope you observed and followed. I'll let you know the key points. Keep watching. And one more thing to add, the reference photos that I'm using, they are just for reference. I mean, I'm not trying to copy or my motive is not to imitate the face of my reference photo. It is just used to make a good proportionate head. That's it. And we are done with our first head. Okay, now let's start with the quarter facing head. Again, I start with a circle and a vertical line. Now at this point, I would like to say one thing. It's just an extra thing. You can see I'm drawing on the edge of my notebook, middle of the 2 pages. This happens when you draw a lot. When you draw a lot, when you draw daily, there are no limitations. You can draw anyway, anywhere, anything. My motive is to draw, fill my sketchbook page. It should look good. And that edge of the paper does not limit me. So just keep drawing, keep practicing. these things will automatically come to you. And the outline for my quarter facing head is also almost done. Just completing the features and all. Keep following, keep observing. Hope you are drawing. You can anytime pause the video or rewind if you need. Okay, so you have almost seen me drawing two heads at different angles. So a question for you all. What is it that that defines the tilt of the head? What is that guideline that helps us to draw it at different angles? You can pause the video and comment it down, and then keep watching. So we have also started drawing the third face facing sideways. And we are done with the outline. Just placing the features and it would be done. Keep observing everything, drawing how I'm drawing the features on the guidelines. And I've always said in my previous videos, these features need to be individually practiced. If you expect good results, practice them a lot, practice them separately, daily. And we are almost done with our third face as well. I hope you would have guessed the answer to the question. What is that one, key guideline that helps us to define the tilt of the face? It's quite easy, but it should be known to people. Like for beginners, if you already draw, if you know the basics, you would be knowing. But for beginners, it's a new thing that should be known to them so that it's easier to draw. And we are done with all the three heads. And the answer to the question is that it's the vertical guideline that defines the tilt of the head. So we can give the angle to the line according to the head. That's it. That was the key point of this video. I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, give a like to this video, share it with your friends who would be interested, and thank you for watching.